We want to customize how our data capturing user interface is. We will make the elements outlined, filled, clearable at runtime. This is the default capturing screen. Let's outline the components. We edit the table details and then we turn on outlined. We go to the data and edit a record. The components are now outlined. Let's make the components to be outlined and rounded. Back at the data. The new changes have been applied. We revert to normal by turning the options off. Let's now make them filled and shaped. Notice the top radius of the elements. We can turn off the character counters by making them 0 from the fields of the table. We no longer have the counters. These are default depending on the field length from the database. We have just make the components clearable. Clicking the clear button will clear the contents of an element.